Are your measurements of data quality lacking the business perspective? Move away from rules that are only set by technical users. The new business rules feature merges the business world of the Accurity data catalog and business glossary solution and the technical world of Accurity data quality monitoring. It allows business users to create easier to understand, definitive data rules. These rules reflect their data model and are based on specific business terms. Business rules are also a bridge to the Accurity data quality monitoring solution. Technical users use business rules to define their implementations. This gives the added value of measuring quality of their data based on specifications from business users. Let business users be in charge of your data quality. Find business rules now in Accurity. Check our website at accurity.ai to learn more about the benefits that our new features can bring to you.